Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Gigi Perfectface back with another wig review. And today I'm going to be talking about this Sensationnel wig. Her name is Sharitta, and this is what she's giving right now. I have her in neon yellow, neon lemon. And this is a Shear Muse collection. I feel like it's been a while since we've gotten a wig from this collection. I think it's been since like September, since they did like all the red wigs theme they had did or something like that. But I'm just going to talk about the claims of the wig, and it's basically a review. I didn't install this wig on camera. I just wanted to come on and give my thoughts on the wig. I don't know, I don't feel like y'all care to watch me install the wig. I did go in my part with some makeup, a darker shade from some eyeshadow. I just used this, I think it was this one. Yeah, I just went in with the makeup. I feel like the part needed to be a little more defined and more detailed, I guess. I don't know. I do wish this wig had a little bit more hairs, like on the crown part where the wig is constructed, because I feel like Sensationnel always does this weird thing. Any hair, they never put enough hair on the crown part, so to me it kind of looks funny looking, and I feel like they always do that with their wigs, and that's one thing that they need to work on. I like the density on this wig. Aside from that, I feel like this should have had more hair on it. They always do that. Like, it would have been an A+ if they would have had that corrected for me, but to me that's a con for me. So yeah, the hair is like and the way that they're describing his hair is that it's sultry waves and with an expensive color range. Basically what they title all of their wigs from this collection. These are the other colors that it comes in. Lots of pretty colors. It's even more that they don't have on here. It's so many colors that it comes in. It comes in one that you can dye any color you want it to be. This wig is just really fun. It's not really shedding like bad or anything. Of course it's shedding, but nothing really too crazy. I didn't pluck this wig. I didn't do any edges. I was about to, but I just decided not to do any edges with this wig, and just leave it be. I did go in with the even black spray and then the even glue. That's literally all I did. It is ear to ear lace. Let me show you guys. It's ear to ear lace. This is a T-part wig. The feeling of this wig is like a, I don't know, it's soft. I don't know how to describe it. It's it's just like a synthetic wig. It doesn't feel like a super cheap synthetic type of hair. This is my first time wearing this hair. This isn't a wig that I'll continuously wear like an everyday wig. Once I'm done with it, I'll just throw her somewhere and forget about her. She is cute though. I love the color of this wig. The feeling of it isn't giving me super cheap. Or I'm just about to get up and show you guys the length of the wig and where it falls on me. The wig card doesn't state any length, so I guess they left it for us wig influencers to tell you guys the length of the wig. So this is where the wig stops on me. This is what it's looking like with me standing up and not just sitting down. I like to show you guys the length of the wig. So yeah, this is the wig all together in the back. This wig is like, I'm gonna say it's 26 inches. I like the length of this wig. Before I put it on, I thought it was gonna be even more shorter than this. So I thought it was gonna be like 24 inches, but to me it's giving me like 26-inch. Lace on this wig isn't bad. I like the lace on the wig. I don't really feel like I went in with like any makeup or anything to fix it and like make it blend in. So yeah, I just use a spray and let it melt down. I don't know how you guys wear your wigs. I don't know if you cut all the lace off, but I like to leave a decent amount on. So I'm not minding the lace here. And for the price, she was priced at the usual rate that They always price these wigs, so I would recommend you guys get this wig if you just want something fun and cute for a look, not nothing for like everyday intentions or anything like that. She's giving me what I want her to give right now. She's cute. I just feel like they could have had more hair on the crown part, because I feel like it always looks off to me. Like it never gives full up here. I don't know. I'd rather them put a little more hair on here and I can just go in and flat it out so it can look more even with the bundles that they put in, or tracks or whatever that they put in on this wig. Yeah, so basically that concludes this wig review. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I have more wig reviews on the way, and I'll see y'all in my next video.